You ready? Is mic on? Mic on, mic on. What is up? Welcome back to episode number 5. If you haven't seen the past 4, check them out after this video. But essentially, this is the Slovene language learning series. My name is Arnold. If you haven't met me yet, I'm an American student living here in Slovenia. I attend the Ekonomska fakulteta in Bežigrad. I'm doing my master's here. And so basically on this channel, I cover all things Slovenia, travel, cities, culture, and right now we're doing the language together. So the first thing we're gonna do is get started in the comments. Make sure you tune in every single Thursday at 5 p.m. I release this language series. And then also on Sunday at 12 p.m. I release my Sunday videos. I've been doing that for over 6 months now. So there's plenty of backlog and videos for you to check out. So make sure you stay tuned and check out the rest of the videos after this. Hey, I just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and tune in every Sunday for a new video. Thanks. See ya. Okay, this segment is challenging words in Slovene. My videographer and in the comments, we sourced 3 words that are going to be pretty challenging to say. So we'll start with number 1. Okay, you see it before I see it. That's how this works. Okay, first look here. Pri račun yivost. Pre. Preračun evost. Preračun yivost. That's number 1. Oh, Bapak. What came first? The chicken or the egg? Oh, I don't know. Which one? Piščanec. Are you ready? Comment number 2. You see it before I see it. Oh, goodness. Izčrpavajoče. Izčerpavajoče. I want to give a shout out to Nika for buying me a coffee. Via my link below, buy me a coffee. Cheers, Nika. Hard word number 3, let's do it. You see it before I see it. Take a look at the word. Preduceraj s njim. Preduceraj s njim. Okay, now we're going to do one of my favorite parts of the video. This is where I basically give thank yous to the comments. I try to say tongue twisters, I try to pronounce hard words from the comments, and I just read generally pretty nice comments. So if you have any comments, please leave them below. Tips, tricks. Also, it really means a lot when you say something nice. So I always appreciate that. But we're going to read the comments now, starting with comment number 1. Oof. Okay, this comment is from Ega, Dog Lover. Thank you for your constant support. I really appreciate your comments always. And this one is a tongue twister. Pešić prečka čez cestišče. Pešić prečka čez cestišče. Cestišče. Pešić prečka čez cestišče. Okay, comment number 2. Okay, this one is from Green Girl 1804. Thank you so much for my comment. Thank you so much for your comment. Your comment is, it reads, Riba reja raci rep. Riba reja raci rep. Riba reja raci rep. Riba reja raci. It kind of sounds like Riba raca rak. You ready? Comment number 3. Oh! Lenora. Is that a T or an F? Lenora flis Slovenia. Ooh. Rajaruk Rajarukratyate. Rajarukratyate. This one. This is not nice. Thank you for the comment, but it's not nice. Rajarukratyate. Rajverk Yati. Okay, it is the time for the reading segment. You know we're reading Ardece Kapica. Little Red Riding Hood. Is that right? Vokpa je odšel naravnost babičini hiši. Rdeča kapica je prišla, je zaklical z narejenim glasom v hišo. Kar noter stopi, je rekla babica, ker je mislila, da je res prišla rdeča kapica. Volk je storil, kakor mu je rekla babica in hops. Je bil že v hiši in pri babici v postelji in jo je že požrl. Holy. That should have been one of the hard words. Sokožo in kostmi vred. Podle si je zavezel njeno albo na glavo in legel v njeno posteljo. Rdeča kapica je medtem zašla daleč v gozd in nabrala veliko rož. Ko je bil šopek zadosti lep, je stekla k babičini hiši pred vrati je zaklicala. Dobro jutro, babica. Ker ni dobila odgovora, je odšla v hišo. Stopila k postelji in ogrinila zavesi. The next segment is what I learned in class. This week we talked about Moidan. So, Inota Moidan. Basically, we covered some of the basic things throughout the day. I'm going to go through some of these really quickly. Uchitise is a big one for me. Umitise is a big one for me. Iti spat, imeti kosilo, jesti zajtrk, imeti večerio. The next thing we covered was, we basically did some sentences and we made sure we picked the right verb to go along. So I'll go over some of these real quick. Eva pije kavo. Peter gre u službo. Maja pospravlja stanovanje. Adam je večerio. Eva, Barbara in Adam se učijo Slovenščino. Eva, Maya, and Barbara kuhajo kosilo. The next thing we kind of learned was about the times of the day. So like zjutraj, that's such a hard word, holy. Dopoldne, popoldne, zvečer, polnoči. Yeah, so we learned about that. And then we went to the next thing. We've been working a lot with like endings, so like masculine, feminine, neuter. So some examples is to je dober čaj, pijam dober čaj. To je dobra kava, pijem dobro kavo. To je dobro vino, pijem dobro vino. The next thing we kind of learned was the days of the week. So these are pretty interesting. Ponedeljak, torek, sreda, četvrtek, petek, sobota, nedelja. So those are the days of the week. I'm still learning those. Sobota is very easy for me to remember. Petek, because pet means 5. So that's the 5th day of the week. So that one's pretty easy. The others, I know there's like literal meanings, but if you could let me know below what they actually are. I need some help remembering these because these are very important, obviously. Cut it. Let's go. Yes!